Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to set custom URL for YouTube channel with PC and mobile. Let's follow me. On your browser, open your YouTube Studio. Create a YouTube custom URL. You should have minimum 100 subscribers. If you are eligible, navigate Customizations section. Then Basic Info. Then click Set Custom URL for your channel. Now you can add your own custom URL. If you choose one, it appear green right with here. When we're creating custom URL for channel, previous video links are not changed. Therefore, create your own custom URL for your channel. Let's see how to do this with mobile. Open any of browser with mobile. If you have YouTube Studio app, when you search YouTube Studio, you will be redirected to YouTube Studio app. Therefore, type in address bar in browser studio.youtube.com. Then you will find YouTube Studio. Navigate Customization. Then you can change or add custom URL for your channel. So this is the video how to add custom URL for YouTube channel. Does it worked or not? Just comment me below. Thank you. See you again. Subscribe me to watch future videos and giveaways.